Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's we are discussing one of the most requested topics, top colleges through GATE architecture and planning. If you are preparing for GATE 2026 AR, this video will help you understand which IITs, NITs and SPA accept GATE AR score, what courses they offer and how tough it is to grab a seat. And yes, if you are serious about cracking GATE, you can join me at Safal Together where I am teaching the complete architecture syllabus with a structured plan. So let's start with the IITs, which are dream institute for every GATE aspirants. Through GATE AR, you can apply for IIT Kharagpur. They are giving M plan, that is city planning, which includes environment planning, housing. In IIT Roorkee, they are giving MARC, MURP, and other department courses like disaster and management, transportation planning, which are of civil engineering branch. In IIT Guwahati, you can grab MDes, partially accept GATE AR and PhD opportunity in planning. They also accept seat for MDes. In IIT Bombay, which offers interdisciplinary planning programs, often through seat plus GATE scores. IIT usually have a very high cutoff. For example, for IIT Roorkee MURP, you need a GATE AR rank under 200 to 250 for a good chance. If we talk about NITs, which is next are the NITs, which offer specialized master's programs in planning and architecture. NIT Trichy, MArch in Energy and Sustainable Architecture, NIT Calicut providing M-Plan with focus on urban and regional planning housing, NIT Patna providing M-Plan in urban and regional planning, including transportation planning, which also has MArch from last year's, NIT Bhopal Manet M-Plan in urban planning and environment planning. They are also providing interdisciplinary courses in other branches like civil, and some of them also providing in others mechanical courses, which you can easily find out in the website at the website of individual colleges website. You can find it out which course you can get from AR in other departments like civil and mechanical. NITs usually have moderate cutoff with a rank of 700 to 800. You still have a fair chance, especially in New Year NITs. SPA, School of Planning and Architecture. Now come the SPA, which are highly reputed for planning and design education. SPA Delhi is giving M-Plan housing in housing, transportation, regional planning, MArch, urban design, landscape architecture, architectural conservation, and they are also providing design in industrial design, which you can go by seed or gate. In SPA Bhopal, M-Plan, urban and regional and environment, MArch in urban design and landscape. In SPA Vijayawada, M-Plan in urban and regional transportation planning, environmental specialization. SPAs has a cutoff lower than IITs but still competitive, and they also take interview session in their for their admissions. With a rank between 400 to 1000, many aspirants manage to secure admission in SPAs too. Beside IITs, Beside IITs, NITs, and SPAs, some state university And Central University also accept GATE AR scores such as CEPT, Jadavpur University, Anna University. Key advice strategy is strategizing your application. IITs aim for GATE rank under 250. For SPAs, rank up to 1000 is good enough. For NITs, rank up to 800 to 1200 can get you a seat depending on specialization. Always check the CCMT counseling process for NITs and SPA and COAP portal for IITs. So, those were top colleges you can target through GATE architecture, IITs, NITs, and SPA. Your rank decide where you will land, but with the right preparation strategy, you can make it your dream college. If you want expert guidance, complete preparation for GATE AR, you can join me at Safal Together, where I am teaching the architecture syllabus with smart techniques, notes, and mentorship. In the next video, I'll share the cutoff trends for gate architecture last 5 years. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more gate architectures update, and also look forward and also check all the websites where you wanted your application to be accepted, like in NIT, like at IITs and CCMT information. So you can also figure out the uh, lump sum rank you should be aim for getting that colleges. So thank you so much.